New ChatGPT update is crazy. OpenAI just rolled out a huge search upgrade for ChatGPT. It went live this week on the web, on iPhone, and on Android. Every single plan gets it too. Free, plus, pro, business, enterprise, all of it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what changed, and I'm going to show you how to use it to run your business smarter. Here's the problem it fixes. If you use ChatGPT a lot, you've lost stuff, good ideas, client notes, a prompt that worked really well, a workflow you built once and never wrote down anywhere else. Maybe you built an automation SOP 3 months ago. Maybe you asked ChatGPT to write you a killer cold outreach message that actually got replies. Maybe you uploaded a document and got a full breakdown back. Where did it all go? You typed it once and then it disappeared into a pile of hundreds of old chats. Finding it again felt impossible. You'd scroll and just give up. Well, ChatGPT just fixed that. The big feature is called unified search. Before this week, search in ChatGPT only looked inside the one chat you had open. That was it. Now, one search bar covers your entire account, every chat you've ever had, every project, every file you uploaded, every image ChatGPT made for you, all searchable from one place. You can also filter. So if you only want to see images, you tap a filter and only images show up. Same for files, same for projects, same for plain chats. No more digging through a mixed pile to find one thing. Here's the part that makes this actually powerful. It works hand in hand with something called projects. A project is like a folder, but smarter. It holds your files, your instructions, and every chat tied to one topic all in one place. Think of it like your own AI filing cabinet, built around one goal instead of scattered everywhere. Now put those two things together. Every chat inside a project, every file you drop in, every image, all of it becomes instantly searchable. That's the real jump here. You're not just chatting with AI anymore, you're building a searchable brain for your business that gets more useful every single week you add to it. Let's talk about how you'd actually use this to grow a business. I want to walk you through real workflows, the same kind we teach and use every day inside the iProfit boardroom. First one, call it your automation SOP vault. If you're building automations and prompts to save time in your business, you know how easy it is to lose track of them. So here's what you do. Make one project just for your automations. Every time you build a new workflow or write a prompt that actually works, upload it there. Weeks later, just search email follow-up automation or content repurposing workflow and it shows up instantly. No more rebuilding the same thing twice. Second one, call it your client and lead tracker. If you're using AI to manage outreach or follow-ups, upload every message template, every call summary, every lead note into one project. Then search by a client's name or a topic like cold outreach script, and every single thing tied to that comes back at once. Updates that used to take you an hour now take a couple of minutes. Third one, and this one matters a lot inside a community like ours, call it your playbook library. Every time you learn a new AI tool or build a new process, save the steps inside a project. 6 months from now, you won't remember exactly how you set something up, but you'll be able to search for it and get the full steps back instantly instead of trying to recreate it from memory. I want to pause here for a second because this is exactly the kind of thing we help people set up every day. If you're building automations, tracking leads, or trying to save time using AI tools like ChatGPT, come check out the AI Profit Boardroom. Every week we run 4 live coaching calls where we walk through exactly how to set up projects like this so your best prompts and workflows never get lost again. We've got members inside who've built entire lead systems this way and they help each other troubleshoot in real time. There's a prompt library built for real business use, step-by-step tutorials on tools just like this one, and a map so you can find and connect with other members near you. Link is in the comments and description, or head to aiprofitboardroom.com. Okay, back to the update. One thing worth knowing, this search upgrade isn't a small add-on, it's part of a bigger shift happening inside ChatGPT right now. Just a few days before this search update, OpenAI launched a new feature called ChatGPT Work, built for longer tasks like finished documents, spreadsheets, and simple web apps. At the same time, they merged their coding tool Codex into one unified desktop app. So you've now got a single app that can chat with you, do longer tasks for you, and help with code all in one window. The search update is what ties it together, because once you're generating that much stuff across that many surfaces, you need a real way to find it again. That's exactly what this fixes. This matters even if you never touch code and never plan to, because the same idea applies to any business owner. The more you use AI day to day, the more content you build, notes, drafts, templates, checklists. Without a way to search all of it, it just piles up and becomes useless. With this update, that pile becomes an actual library you can pull from any time. Let's go through a couple more ways to put this to work. If you write content for your business, make one project just for that. Every script, every caption, every headline list you've written, drop it in there. Next time you need ideas for a topic, search for it inside that project, and every old piece you wrote on that topic comes right back. You stop starting from a blank page every time. If you're managing a team or working with a virtual assistant, make a project for shared processes. Upload your onboarding steps, your standard replies, your weekly checklist. Instead of explaining the same thing over and over, you just tell them to search the project. It saves you from repeating yourself constantly. If you're doing customer support with AI, make a project just for common questions and the answers that worked best. When a similar question comes in, search it, pull the answer, and adjust it in seconds instead of writing it fresh every time. Notice the pattern here. It's not about the tool being clever, it's about you finally having a system where nothing you build gets wasted. Every prompt, every workflow, every answer becomes something you can find and reuse instead of something that disappears the second you close the tab. One more thing worth mentioning, because ChatGPT search now looks across your whole account, it's also pulling from a much bigger footprint of your data than before. So it's worth taking a minute to check your settings and make sure you're comfortable with what's stored and how memory is being used inside your account. That's just good practice anytime a tool starts holding more of your information. Let's do a quick recap so this actually sticks. 1. ChatGPT now has one search bar that covers your chats, your projects, your files, and your images all in one place on web, iPhone, and Android. 2. You can filter by content type so you're not digging through everything mixed together. 3. Combine that with projects and you get a real searchable library for your business that grows more valuable every single week. 4. This is part of a bigger shift happening across ChatGPT right now, with longer tasks and coding tools all getting pulled into one place, and search is the piece that makes all of it usable. Before you go, one more thing. If you're building automations, tracking clients, saving prompts, or just trying to stop losing good work inside ChatGPT, this is exactly the kind of setup we walk through step by step inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got a 30-day roadmap that shows you how to organize your AI tools the right way from day one, live coaching calls every week where you can ask questions about your own setup, and a community of members already using projects like this to run real automations for their business. Link is in the comments and description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want the free version first, come join the AI Success Lab. It's a free community with tutorials, SOPs, and over 100 real AI use cases just like this one, all broken down step by step. You'll get the notes from this video there too, plus access to a community of members who are already putting this stuff to work. Links are in the comments and description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.